Hello students, welcome to my class. In this video, we are going to see the life of Axiano at Siberia. Supplementary Reader 1. God sees the truth but waits. Written by Leo Tolstoy. Part 2. For 26 years, Axiano lived as a convict in Siberia. His hair turned white as snow, and his beard grew long, thin and grey. All his mirth went. Mirth means amusement or laughter. That is, he lost all his happiness and enjoyment. He walked very slowly. He stooped. Stooped means to bend one's head down. அதாவது கூன் விழுறது. He spoke very little and never laughed, but he often prayed. In prison, Axiano learned to make boots and earned a little money with which he bought the lives of the saints. He read this book when there was light enough in the prison, and on Sundays in the prison church he read the lessons and sang in the choir, because though he grew old, his voice was good. The prison authorities liked Axiano for his meekness. Meekness means submissive, that is adakam. And his fellow prisoners respected him. They called him grandfather and the saint. When they wanted to petition the prison authorities about anything, they always made Axiano their spokesman. What is the meaning of spokesman? You know, a person who is chosen to speak for a group or an organization. That is like a union leader. And when there were quarrels among the prisoners, they came to him to put things right and to judge the matter. No news reached Axiano from his home, and he did not even know if his wife and children were still alive. One day, a fresh gang of convicts came to the prison. In the evening, the old prisoners collected round the new ones and asked them what towns or villages they came from and what they were sentenced for. That is, for what crime they came here to this prison. Among the rest, Axiano sat down near the newcomers and listened with downcast air to what was said. One of the new convicts, a tall, strong man of 60 with a closely cropped grey beard, was telling the others what he had been arrested for. He said, "I only took a horse that was tied to a sledge." Sledge means a vehicle without wheels that is used for traveling on snow. "And I was arrested and accused of stealing. I said I had only taken it to go home quicker, and I had then let it go. Not only that, the driver was a personal friend of mine. So I said, it's all right. But the police officer said, no, you stole it. But how or where I stole it, they could not say. I once really did something wrong and I should have come here long ago. But that time I was not found out. Now I have been sent here for nothing at all." It is lies. I am telling you, friends, I have been to Siberia before, but I did not stay long. Someone from that friends asked him, "Where are you from?" He said, "I am from Vladimir. My family are of that town. My name is Makar, and they also call me Semyonich." Axiano raised his head and said, "Tell me, Semyonich, do you know anything of the merchants Axiano of Vladimir? Are they still alive?" Makar said, "Know them? Of course I do. The Axianos are rich, though their father is in Siberia, a sinner like ourselves, it seems. As for you, Granddad, how did you come here?" asked Makar. Axiano did not like to speak of his misfortune. He only sighed. Sighed-na பெருமூச்சு விடுறது. And said, "For my sins I have been in prison these 26 years." "What sins?" asked Makar Semyonich. But Axiano said, well, I must have deserved it. எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் தேவைதான் அப்படின்னு அவர் சொல்றார். He would have said no more, but his companions told the newcomers how Axiano came to be in Siberia, how someone had killed a merchant and had put the knife among Axiano's things, and Axiano had been unjustly condemned. When Makar Semyonich heard this, he looked at Axiano, slapped his own knee, காலில் அப்படியே அடிச்சுக்கிட்டே பேசுகிறான், and exclaimed, "Well, this is wonderful, really wonderful. But how old you have grown, Granddad?" The others asked him why he was so surprised and where he had seen Axiano before. But Makar Semyonich did not reply. He only said, "It's wonderful that we should meet here, lads."